We just got our first Expedition Series winch from All Balls Racing Products. We've been waiting for this for a little while. I'm really excited to see what it looks like. So let's open it up and let's see what this thing looks like. So they're actually introducing a complete line of these winches, and nice packaging. This particular one is a 4,500 pound steel cable winch. What do we got here? Comes with a nice, let's see, we got a nice wiring harness here, looks like, with a dash switch. That's pretty cool. There's your hardware. Looks like nice plated, chrome plated hardware. And what do we got here? We got apparently that's a mounting plate of sorts. What else we got? Ooh, so this is what they were telling me about. This is nice. This is a remote. This is actually a wireless remote for the winch, so it allows you to actually operate the winch from outside your vehicle, which, you know what, in some cases super, super handy if you're in the mud or in a flowing stream or stuck someplace where you need to be away from the vehicle and still be able to do this. Really, really handy, and I'm guessing that this is a transmitter box for that wireless winch, the wireless controller. And we've got nice, it's like good lengths of power cables there for the winch, and some nice covers. And let's see what this thing looks like in here. All right, comes with your standard, what looks like pretty much a standard metal wire winch fair lead. And what do we got here? Let's see. Here's your winch. Oh man, it's a heavy bugger. Look at this. Well, this is pretty nice. Now, this looks pretty good, I'll tell you. So there's your winch. Let's say again, this is a 4,500 pound steel cable. This is your 4-bolt configuration. They also have them available in a 2-bolt configuration, which would be more for your quads. But they're going to offer winches in 3,500, 4,500, and then a monster 6,000 synthetic. So with a synthetic rope. So that's for your larger UTVs for sure. But man, I'll tell you what, this looks like pretty quality stuff. It's got a nice big grip here on your side on your gear selector. So that's pretty handy. Yeah, I'll tell you what. Wireless controller, wired controller, both. That's a super nice option there. Tell you what, looks like this is going to be a hit. Super competitively priced. There's your controller. This will mount up underneath on your firewall or on your above the. That's where your wires go. But yeah, this is a complete setup. You will have to get a winch mount from one of the winch mount suppliers. They do not come with a winch mount, but with so many different vehicles, I think just about everybody has a winch mount available for these winches. It is a standard bolt pattern, so it should be a pretty easy install. And this one here is actually destined for the rear end of our General XP build, and so we're kind of excited to do that. We're going to have to fab up a nice little bumper, and we'll show you that when we're ready to do it. But again, nice piece, Expedition Winch Series from All Balls Racing.